Brand new, I think it was $30. $30 combo. I ain't never caught nothing on a Rooster Tail before, man. Oh, no! I missed some. We're back again with the Rooster Tail. Probably my arch nemesis of lures, man. I've been trying to use these since a kid. Michael's been using them. He be catching fish. My dad's been using them since a kid. He's been telling me to use them. I ain't been able to catch nothing with them. But we're going to see one last time if I can finally catch a fish with a Rooster Tail. Hella wasp out here. Let me bring some hedge clippers out here. But yeah, it's the next day, next morning. Wasn't the most successful yesterday, but we shall prevail. I only had like an hour yesterday. I wanted to go out there with a little more time, but I don't write the book, man. I'm just a character in it. So we get out there when we can, and we're grateful every opportunity we get. That's why we gotta make the most of it, man. That's why I be trying to catch them fish for real. I don't be out here lollygagging. I done had this thing for a while, bro. Yep, Zadco, Doc Demon. Oh, yeah, what's that thing? Oh, they fish biting, man. Let me stop bull crapping. The fish is jumping already, man. I'm about to throw that Rooster Tail out again. I ain't giving up. I'm not freaking leaving. But yeah, let me get lined up, and then we gonna see what I got for y'all. All right, got the worm bobber set up, and we're gonna try again with that good old Rooster Tail, man. If I can't get it today, it might just not be meant to be, man. Set that down. Oh, that was a strike already. What the heck? Okay, I missed a strike, and I think it was a bass. First cast of the day. Oh, got him. Got him. I got him. Yeah. 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 Flip. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, buddy. Yeah. First bass. First fish of my life on a Rooster Tail. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. First bass of the day on the Rooster Tail. Stop playing with me, man. And he going home. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, dog. Ugh! Y'all boys don't even know how much that meant to me, man. My dad been telling me to throw Rooster Tails out forever. Now I'm about to be throwing it everywhere. Oh yeah, that's one for the books. See what else we can get, man. It's really the next cast. Oh, I just missed him. I just missed one, maybe two. Oh, yeah. The Rooster Tail's on fire, bro. No! I missed him. Oh, that hurt. Dang. I'm about to cry. I just caught a bass on the Rooster Tail, doubled up, and caught this little red breast, bro. And that bass was a little bigger. He wasn't no crazy or nothing, but he was definitely a little bigger. And I was not recording, bro. What the? I'm about to just go straight Rooster Tail. They're hitting. Look, literally just caught a bass, bro. And was not recording. Oh my goodness. It's all right. There'll be more. There will be more. But that's two bass, two brim. And he was right over here. Oh, man. That was a nice bass, too. He just literally jumped out the water, bro. Oh, my goodness. It's okay. It's okay. There'll be more. I just wish y'all could have saw that one, man. That was nice. It's all right. I won't cry. Oh! Oh, no! Bro, what is up with me, gang? What is up with me? Bro, oh, this is fun. If it was easy, everybody'd do it. That's 2 strikes. 2 strikes I missed just now, bro. They're not committing for some reason. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Grass. Oh, my goodness, man. I done missed. Bro, my adrenaline right now is crazy right now, bro. I've never caught anything on a freaking Rooster Tail, and I probably miss at least like 5. I've already caught 2. This is already amazing, bro. This is a great day for me, I'll be honest. Having a good time. Having a good time. Got him. Yep. Come on, buddy. He ain't going nowhere. Oh, come on. Nope. Come on. Flip. Yeah. That's 3 on the Rooster Tail, dog. 3. Stop playing with me, man. Oh, yeah. Come on. You ain't going nowhere. Stop playing with me. Choked it. Ooh. 3 on the Rooster Tail, bro. Stop playing with me, dog. That's 3. This little Rooster Tail right here, man. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I'm going crazy. I ain't never caught nothing on the Rooster Tail. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, bruh. That's literally the cast, gang. There's no cuts. Y'all can check. There's no cuts in between. I just got tangled up in my line. But y'all see it, man. I ain't playing around. Get him back in the water, bro. Double up back to back, man. Pretty little guy. Ooh, bro, once you reeling, and for me, it's like I don't never expect to get anything. So, cause I've tried a lot, but I just never successful when it comes to artificial and stuff like that. So it's like once I get something, bro, it's like my heart drops every time, bro. It's like I'm never expecting it. It's the craziest feeling ever. I love it. I'm on a high right now. It's crazy. I don't even know how long I've been out here. We're already, what, 4 bass deep? Wasps flying around. Boy, Victor supposed to be pulling up. By the time he get here, I done caught all the bass. Bro, literally, I'm a monster. I'm a monster. Flip. I'm a monster, bro. Oh my goodness. Bro, chill. Yeah. Perfect hook sets. Every time. And this is all on the Rooster Tail. I'm about to call my dad and tell him thank you. Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, I can't keep them off me. They're on one right now, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm tripping. Oh, buddy. Are you gonna make it? He made it! Easy release. That's all right. I touched him, so it counts. Oh my goodness, bro. Y'all boys really might single-handedly be watching me fall in love with bass fishing. I've been talking all that shit. I mean, I catch any fish on this and be happy, but they're hitting non-stop, bro. It's like catching fucking brim, except it's more exciting because I'm using the artificial spinning bait. I'm just reeling and I can kind of see the fish. So it's like, I can see it when they hit. Boom, like just now, I just missed them. Like bro, I can see it when they hit it. It's the coolest thing ever. And they're striking hard. These little guys are feisty, bro. I'm having a great time. But I'm gonna have to learn. I'm gonna have to calm back down. Like I was really chilling when I first came out here, but I wasn't expecting them to go this crazy, man. They've been showing out. Probably all that rain. They've been probably eating bugs nonstop for the last week. Nobody out here fishing. Not a worry in the world. That was a miss just now. That was a miss. 2 misses. Let's see if I can persuade him. As I stop recording. He's tiny though. I think this might be like number 6 or something. On the Rooster Tail again, of course. Hell yeah, man. That is all right. And this pole has like just enough backbone to where I can get a decent hook set on them. But they feel amazing, bro. Like they feel so good whenever I'm fighting them. Gotta love ultralight or even just a light. You never fish with a light action pole, man, or ultralight. I highly recommend. They're cheap and they're non-stop fun. You can catch brim all day, bluegill, whatever you want to call it, panfish. You can catch them all day, non-stop, and it's so fun, bro. All right, let's switch it up. I want to see if I can catch one of them big boys on this small pole. Yep. Oh my goodness. I saw him chase it at the last second. Saw him come up and chase it. Yeah. Come here, big boy. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm on a roll. This hook set is crazy. That's like bass number, I don't freaking know, 8, 7 or 8. He's a happy camper though. Got that hook out pretty quick, so he'll be all right. Oh yeah. This Rooster Tail is undefeated, man. It's undefeated. All right, we're gonna go back to the bobber setup. I might take off the bobber, to be honest. They usually don't care for bobbers around these parts. But gonna see if it makes any difference today. Maybe not. Yeah, we're taking this bobber off. I think that's why he didn't want to swallow it. I saw the worm in his mouth the whole time. Just hook, no worm. I mean, no, no worm. No bobber, no weight, no swivel, no nothing. Just hook and worm. That's how it's done. That easy. I don't want to put the worm on the new pole just because it's new. But I know I'm gonna want to pick it up and catch some more bass whenever I get bored. So I'll leave it for now. That's a bass. That's a nice bass. Oh, Nelly. Petroleum jelly. Whoa, Nelly. It's all right. That's the biggest bass all day. Well, he's kind of tied. Tied with the biggest, I should say. But I'd say that's like a little pounder right there. It's all right. Oh, yeah. This reel ain't trying to cast for shit. Is that a fish already? What the heck? All right, that was an easy release. There we go. Somewhat of a decent cast. That'd be the only reason I put the bobber on, just so I can cast further than 2 inches. No. When did you even bite? Oh my goodness. Another one. See if I can do my annual catch a fish between the cracks of the dock. Oh my gosh. Something just slobberized me. No diddler. just that easy. Go right back where you were, buddy. No, he's too perfect not to be bait. This guy's too perfect. Got him lined up. And put a bobber on him so we can cast him out. I think there's a bass on him already, y'all. There's a bass on him already. Bass on him already. That's what I'm talking. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about. Perfect hook set. Check that out. Told y'all, perfect bass size. Perfect bait. And he choked him. He freaking choked him. I missed it. First brim ever on the Rooster Tail, and I wasn't recording.
He's bad.
Fuck you, pal. You never got nothing nice to say. Nigga said he's bad. I'm shitting on you. You should have came earlier, buddy.
Bro, I would have been stacked up. It would have been.
But you would have been able to watch me catch him. That's the only difference. Only difference, pal.
Buddy, you wouldn't have catch nothing.
Buddy, I catch
In the water.
number one fish, number one all time, buddy.
Even if you threw your worm right next to my worm, it wouldn't work.
You're not even a man. Yeah. His little jumps, bro.
A little hot.
I want to see if you just sniff at him or.
You probably gonna bite your net.
Yeah. He shouldn't bite it. He's just curious. You know, sniff it. He's like, what the heck is that?
They admit you take care of Nani. Pay attention, they stand out homies. Get the triple drop music and bodies. Me and Bossy like Jordan and Scott.